Today we're tackling a common issue, the two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10. If you're having trouble scrolling with your touchpad, don't worry, I'll guide you through some simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's check your touchpad settings. Go to the Start menu and click on Settings. From here, select Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Touchpad for more options. Make sure that touchpad is enabled and two-finger scrolling is turned on. If your settings look good, the next step is to update your touchpad driver. Right-click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section. Right-click on your touchpad device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. Once done, restart your computer. If updating didn't work, you might need to reinstall the driver. Back in Device Manager, right-click on your touchpad and select Uninstall Device. Don't worry, Windows will reinstall it upon restart. Just reboot your computer and it should automatically reinstall the driver. Lastly, let's adjust the scrolling speed. Go back to touchpad settings and look for Scroll and Zoom. Here you can modify the scrolling speed to your preference. And that's it. Now you should have fixed the two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10 problem.